Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with another Dollar Tree DIY. Well, actually, this is going to be a collaboration video with the fabulous and glamorous Hanna Watkins. So we are collaborating together to do a Christmas DIY, a glam Christmas DIY. So I'm starting with these products here. I will give you a link to Hanna Watkins' channel so you can check that out in the description box. So I'm starting with some glitter and Mod Podge. I'm using these margarita glasses and also some of the candle holders. So I'm mixing my Mod Podge and glitter together. You can do this separately if you want. You can spread the Mod Podge and then sprinkle the glitter however you desire to do it. I actually wanted mine to be a little bit clumpy, so you can want it, if you want it smooth, you just want to spread a thin layer on there. I chose to do mine kind of clumpy, and actually I should have done this in steps. So you guys, I'm good at trial and error. I mess up things just for you guys. Well, I mess things up because I just mess things up. But I also tell you about my mess ups so you don't make those same mistakes. So you just want to spread it on thinly first and then just go over it with layers if you want to add texture to yours. But me, of course, I have to be in a rush to do things. Don't have the patience to do it correctly. So mine is all not the desired look that I wanted, but it's still fabulous, you guys. Anyway, so I'm just spreading it on there. So I'm spreading from the stem part. I spread it on just a little bit part of the glass part that said where the contents of the margarita would be, just a little bit of that part and the stem as well as the bottom of the stem. So not on the bottom, but just covering the stem. So I wanted mine to go from that point all the way down to the bottom, as you can kind of see here. So I'm going to repeat those steps on the second glass. Now for the candle holder, I placed the Mod Podge, and as you can see, I'm basically dabbing it on here in large amounts, and you guys don't do that. Well, do it if you want to, but don't do that. So you want to put it on thin first and just go back and apply layers. As it dries, go back and apply another layer if you want it thicker. So I'm just patting it on there because I wanted the texture. I wanted mine to be clumpy, but once it was sitting and drying, because it was so clumpy, it started sliding down the glass. So guys, don't do that. Just put it on there, a thin layer first, let it dry, repeat the steps again. So I went up about, not half of the glass, maybe like a third of the glass up with the Mod Podge. So you just do those steps and I'll go on to the next one. So I'm going to use these ornaments here, and I actually got these from Walmart. They're like some little diamond shaped ornaments. And I'm taking some of the hot glue, and because the margarita glass has like a little dip on the very bottom, there's like a little center. I'm placing the hot glue in that very center. You don't want to place it around the edges. You want to place it in that center. So I'm taking the string for the ornament, and I'm just placing that string into that glue. And I'm using a dowel to kind of help hold it in place. And I only use 4 of the ornaments. This part is optional. Do it if you want to or not do it. So I just wanted to have a little chandelier kind of look hanging from the candle holder here. So I place those 4 on there, and once I have all of them placed, I follow up with some E6000, or you can use Fix All or whatever type of strong glue that you guys desire to use to place the other candle holder on top. Oh, and with the E6000, I did follow up with just a touch of hot glue. That's just for the purposes of that getting that instant stick. I prefer to just use the straight E6000 or Fix All when I'm working with glass. But I did follow up just to get an instant stick. So after that, then I just place the glass on top, and you just want to try to get it even as possible. And just fit it on there and just apply a little bit of pressure to make sure it's stuck. So next I went in with some bling wrap, and you can do embellishments however you decide that you want to do it. I chose to use some bling wrap. So for the middle, I used 5 rows of the bling wrap or diamond wrap, as well as the bottom of the margarita glass. I used five rows of the diamond wrap. And for the very top, I used 3 rows. And you can also place some around where the two glass pieces are glued together. If you wanted to do that, you can do that. I just chose to put it in the middle, the very top, and then on the bottom of the margarita glass. So you just take some hot glue and just run it on the back side and just place it around the glass. So it should start to look something like this. So I also took some of these snowflake ornaments that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place some glitter around the tips of each point. So some of that glitter and Mod Podge mixture that I had left, I just put some on the tips. And I also, on the part where the string was for the ornament, I placed a rhinestone on that particular point. So once the glitter is dry, I followed up with some E6000 as well as some hot glue so I can place it on the glass portion. So now I'm going to take it and I'm going to find a center point that I want it to be, and I just lined it up with the tip part that had the string for the ornament part. I lined it up and put that at the top so that rhinestone can be facing up where it could be at the very top. And I also placed 2 rhinestones where the bling wrap connected. So that's my center point as well. So this is another option that I'm showing you guys that you can do. These little lights, this one don't want to cooperate with me. So I have some mirrors here from the Dollar Tree and this little light. And this is another option for you. If you wanted to do this, you can do it. Or you can glue that mirror down to the glass if you wanted to place that mirror on the bottom. That is totally optional. So I just placed those ornaments on the mirror, and I'm just going to sit the glass on top. So that's one option for you, and I will show you some other options at the very end. So on to the final look, you guys. So this is the final look, you guys. I absolutely love the way they turned out. Minus my failure with the Mod Podge and glitter, but they still turned out fabulous. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you like what you see here, you want to continue to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. And be sure to check the description box for a Hanna Watkins link. Go ahead and check out her fabulous video. So you guys, she does very fabulous work. I love she has that glam factor, you guys. So if you loved glam, and she also mixes it up sometimes. She also can do other she also does other things. So it's not just all glam. So go and check her channel out. She does some fabulous DIYs, you guys, and also some vlogs from time to time. So that's it, you guys. Be sure to check Hanna Watkins out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and show Hanna Watkins some love on this collaboration that we're doing together. And until next time, you guys, bye.